Henry, we don't throw food, do we? Mummy said no. I said, you don't do that, please, mister. Oh, dear me. Please. Don't throw food. Mummy says no. Mummy said no. Huh? It's an average meal time. Henry's rampaging. In the basket, it's the terrible two, rampaging. Oh, everybody, that's all wonderful. Ted's just twitching. There we are. Henry. Hi there. There's Sophia. Oh, what's he shouting about? Hey. Pardon? That's a bit silly, darling. What's that silly noise? Mommy. Apple. Shall we put the Miffy DVD on? Do you like Miffy? Can you say Miffy? Miffy. Well, if you stop crying.